Hello, welcome to another Source Sounds video. Today we have got a Fiat Ducato based motorhome on a 2011 reg, and we've changed the radio. So let me show you inside and let you take a look. Right, so we're now inside the vehicle, and this is a KENWOOD DMX7722DABS. And this is the digital radio background, so it's got DAB. This unit has also got AM FM like standard, Bluetooth connectivity, so you can stream music from your phone and also you can answer the calls. USB, it's got Android Auto, wireless CarPlay as well, and it's got a reverse camera fitted to this model actually that we've put on it. Very nice addition to a motorhome. Some would say a must-have. So, if you would like to change your radio in your Fiat-based motorhome or Peugeot Boxer style, don't hesitate to give the experts at Source a call on 0114 257 1550. Alternatively, you can email us at sales@sourcesounds.com. I'm Nath. Thank you for watching.